What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you a beginner friendly tutorial for Canva Video Editor. So first off, head over to Google or any browser. On the search bar, type Canva and then you'll see the first official website of Canva. After clicking, you will be welcomed to this home dashboard of Canva. From here, you can search multiple types of templates. You can create A4 portrait resume, you can create a sheet, a new document, you can create a new presentation, a social media post or a reel, or you can create a video, or you can even create a website. So if you want to see some of the templates, you can just simply click on this templates option on the left side, and then you can see there are multiple types of templates available for multiple use. But if you don't like any of these pre-built templates, you can create your own template. For example, if you want to create a presentation, just click on this blank presentation and you can just simply create your own presentation. If you want to create your own resume, your own document, your own video, or your own Instagram post, or a logo or a Facebook post, you can create everything on Canva by yourself according to your wish, your standards, and your customizations. And if you want to see the designs that you have created, just on your left side, just simply click on projects. You can see that these are my recent designs. Here I have created my own template. As you can see, I have added a photo and I have written hello world. So this is a simple demo template that I myself, and these are some built, or you can say inbuilt Canva resumes. I have just added a photo by myself. The rest of this resume is already built on Canva. But if you want AI to enhance your template or to just replicate the idea through image by your words, you can even do that. On your left side, just simply click on Canva AI, and here you can describe and give the prompt to the AI, whatever design or image or video or Google Sheet, whatever you want. Just write the prompt and AI will design it for you. For example, I'll just click on this pre-built prompt, create an image. Now it's asking me of what style of image do you want. You can see there are multiple sides, and this cinematic and macro looks cool. I'll just simply click on macro, and it is asking the size, at which size do you want. I'll just select this one, and then I'll just hit create an image of a sports car. I'll just hit enter, and it will create an image of a sports car for me. As you can see, in my given style and in my given template ratio, it has given me these designs by just simply writing normal one line prompt. So you can also create magical templates and many more things by using Canva AI. This was the beginner friendly tutorial. That was all for this video. Thank you for watching.